Israelites, it is important for you to understand other indigenous bloodlines are conquered by the serpent seed. By now, you should know that the indigenous black people from every bloodline are living in their land until now. Do not accept the people mainstream media put in your face as the original people of the land. Do not accept the mixed seed, the melanated people with strange features, for the original people. The mixed population and the full-blooded serpent seed the beast system promote are not the original. I do not care how much mixing the indigenous people did. The pale-skinned people with Neanderthal DNA are not indigenous, nor could they claim the indigenous people's bloodline. Japheth and Esau's bloodline are not whited out. If an indigenous person's bloodline was ever whited out, they are no longer indigenous. The pale skin with Neanderthal DNA are of their father, Satan.